Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for all you 3D printing enthusiasts out there. We recently came across the Creality Filament Vacuum Storage Kit, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Creality Filament Vacuum Storage Kit is designed to keep your 3D printer filaments safe, dry, and dust-free. It includes a hand pump and 10 premium storage bags that are perfect for maintaining the quality of your filaments. Each bag measures 15.75 by 15.75 inches, making it a versatile solution for different types of filaments. Now, let's dive into some of the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, the materials used in the construction of these storage bags are food grade, which means they are safe, durable, and designed for long-lasting use. This is particularly important when considering the potential degradation of filament due to moisture and dust exposure. Speaking of protection, the double-sealed zipper design is a game-changer. It effectively guards against moisture and dust, ensuring that your filaments remain in pristine condition. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your materials are well protected. Another significant advantage of the Creality Filament Vacuum Storage Kit is its wide compatibility. It accommodates various filament weights, including 0.5 kilograms, 0.75 kilograms, and 1 kilogram options, as well as different diameters 1.75 millimeters, 2.85 millimeters, and even 3 millimeters. This makes it suitable for a broad range of 3D printing setups, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its cost-effectiveness in drying filaments. Each vacuum package comes with desiccants that actively absorb moisture, keeping your filaments dry and preventing dust from infiltrating. This not only helps you achieve smoother prints but also enhances the stability of your printing process. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a 3D printing hobbyist or a professional, this kit is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who wants to protect their investment in high-quality filaments and improve